Ram to you all, dear children. Today, again, I will be explaining to you the same chapter entitled Dreams, a Part of Life, Class 4, Subject English, Part 2, Chapter 9. So, before I start explaining to you all Part 2 of this lesson, let us recall what we understood about dreams in part 1. See, we have learned that dreams appear every 10 minutes and then stop, and this shall happen several times, right, during the night for about 90 minutes. And when some people say that they never dream, that means they do not remember their dreams. And some people believe that they seldom dream, that means they dream but do not often dream. And the dream appears rather, yes, at intervals of 90 minutes, and the uh, maximum or the largest amount of dreaming takes place during the last period of sleep. During the last period of sleep, the maximum dreaming takes place during the last period of sleep, right? So now we will be proceeding with part 2. I'll be explaining paragraph number 3 to you all. The need of dream. Why is the need of dream? Why should there be a need of dream? Nearly everyone dreams. Everyone dreams. Moreover, people need to dream. People need to dream. Why? Why do people need to dream? Some experts think that dreams show unconscious wishes. Some experts think that dreams show unconscious wishes. See, many people have some wishes in life, some aspirations in life, right? And they will be struggling for the wishes to be fulfilled. But when they are asleep, they will be dreaming about the joys of having fulfilled their wishes. That is in the dream state. So that is what the experts mean to say. So some experts think the dream show unconscious wishes. Some others believe that we try to solve our problems in dreams. So some others believe that problems could be solved in dreams. So some others believe that problems could be easily solved in dreams. Many also think that we dream about what have happened to us recently. So many also think that we dream about what have happened to us recently. So very recently what have happened. So that means, say suppose we have gone to, say, some amusement park, say about 2 days back or 2 days ago. So there is a recent activity or event, right? So many people think that we dream about what have happened to us recently. So we dream about having gone or visited an amusement park 2 days back, right? So there is a recent happening. Scientists are not certain. Scientists are not certain. However, whether it is the dream or the kind of sleep that goes with dreaming, that is more important. Scientists are not certain, however, whether it is the dream or it is a kind of sleep that goes with dreaming, that is more important. So according to scientists, it is the sleep that is more important, and it is a kind of sleep that goes with dreaming. That's all. That is, and sleep is more important. That is what the scientists mean. This kind of sleep is remarkable. This kind of sleep is remarkable. So that means, according to scientists, if anybody is dreaming during sleep, that means he or she is having sound sleep. So this is the opinion of scientists. Now, explanation of the fifth paragraph. Researchers tried waking volunteers as soon as they started dreaming. When allowed to go back to sleep, the volunteers started dreaming right away. This test was repeated several times. So, researchers used to wake up the volunteers as soon as they started dreaming. And when volunteers were allowed to go back to sleep, the volunteers started dreaming right away again. The test was repeated several times. Okay, so the researchers had to wake up the sleepers more and more often to prevent them from dreaming. When at last they could sleep without disturbance, the volunteers made up all the dream time they had lost. So, researchers felt that it is the dream that causes problems during sleep. In the sense, when a person is in a dreaming state, he or she cannot sleep well, right? And so they used to wake up the volunteers often only to ensure that they no more dream or no longer dream and rest in sleep, sound sleep rather, rest in sound sleep. Nearly everyone dreams. So now here is the summary of the video. Nearly everyone dreams. Some experts think that dreams show unconscious wishes. Some others believe that we try to solve our problems in dreams. Many also think that we dream about what have happened to us recently. It is very recently. Scientists are not certain, however, whether it is the dream or the kind of sleep that goes with dreaming. That is more important. This kind of sleep is remarkable. This kind of sleep is remarkable. That means people without dreaming can sleep well. So people who do not dream will have sound sleep according to scientists. Researchers tried waking volunteers as soon as they started dreaming, as soon as they started dreaming. While allowed to go back to sleep, the volunteers started dreaming right away. Here are a few questions relating the video. First question is, why is there a need to dream? Second question is, what do the people believe about dreams? Third question is, what kind of sleep is remarkable? Fourth question is, what did researchers find when they woke people as soon as they started dreaming? So, all of you, dear children, study this lesson, in the sense part 2 of this chapter, thoroughly well, understand it, and answer the questions relating to this particular video, right? So saying, let us call it a day. Jai Sai Ram.